If you're experiencing pending transfers on Venmo, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause transactions to remain pending. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Step 2. Review transaction details. Open the Venmo app and navigate to the transaction in question. Check if there are any errors or issues with the payment details, such as incorrect recipient information or insufficient funds. Step 3. Contact your bank. If the transaction details are correct, contact your bank to see if there are any holes or issues with your account. Sometimes banks may place holds on transactions for security reasons. Step 4. Wait for processing. Sometimes pending transactions may take a little longer to process. Wait for a few hours or up to a day, as some transactions may take time to clear, especially if they involve bank transfers. Step 5. Reach out to Venmo support. If the transfer remains pending after checking everything, contact Venmo support. Provide them with the transaction details, and they can assist you in resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Venmo. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.